A power control system is a smart way to let your home safely handle more electrical devices without risking an overload. We have invented our industry-standard system to address this growing problem. Blackbox does this by ensuring that you can add high-demand devices such as EV chargers, hot tubs, AC or heat pumps, and other high-draw electrical devices without upgrading your electrical service. How does Blackbox manage your energy? Blackbox installs with small sensors on your main electrical panel lines. This allows the Blackbox to constantly track how much power your home is using and how much capacity is still available. Let's break it down. If your home has enough available power, the Blackbox will sense this availability and automatically turn on the end device that it is managing, like an EV charger. This allows the device to run as long as there is enough energy available. If your panel starts getting close to its limit, Blackbox will pause the connected device so that your system never overloads. This allows the system to cool, preventing overheating and power loss, and ultimately protecting your home and electrical system. Once the extra space becomes available again, it safely turns the device back on. What does this mean? Blackbox does the thinking for you, automatically and in the background. This means that you have more flexibility to add new electrical devices with no risk of overloading your panel, all while avoiding the cost of upgrading your electrical service and panel entirely. For more information on our fully patented and UL-certified power control solutions, please visit our website at blackboxinnovations.com.